Madden NFL 25 is so expensive. I can't afford buying it. I gotta figure out how to get Madden NFL 25 for free. Let me just search up on Google and see if I can find anything. Okay guys, after hours of searching and going through so many scam video tutorials and fake TikTok guides, I finally found the working method to get Madden NFL 25 for free. This method won't require any hacks or subscriptions either. You would be able to get any game you want. Because basically, I found a way to get an insane amount of money for free on Cash App or PayPal or Amazon gift card. Let me explain. While I was scrolling on Reddit, I saw someone post this thread. They said they were able to get Madden NFL 25 for free. At first, I thought it was a scam, because usually these kinds of things are super fake. But then I checked the comments and others were vouching and saying the method worked for them as well, so at this point I started to believe it more. So what I did was I messaged the person directly and asked them for more directions, and they responded and told me the entire method. So open your phone, you must do it on your phone, then you're going to glitchcash.com. Once you're on the site on your phone, you see the Claim Now button. Just click it, and it will take you to a questionnaire. On this questionnaire, you just want to complete the entire thing. If your questionnaire doesn't look exactly like mine, that's fine. It's probably because you're in a different location from me, but it's fine, it will still work. So, just fill it all out. You might even have to play some games, or it might ask you to do additional tasks. You must complete these in order to get your reward. So make sure to do them. But guys, I'm gonna fast forward to when I actually finish, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. And great news, I've finished, and now it redirected me back to the site, and it's asking me for my cash tag, or PayPal. So I'm gonna go ahead now and put in my cash tag. So let's see if they will now send me my money. Okay, it's sending. Let's check now. And boom! We have received the money from Glitch Cash. Let's go! It worked. It's an easy way to get $1,000 in my pocket. You guys have to try this.